So here is the game. And the main plot is about the arena fighting, and the game consists from two parts: lobby, where you can buy stuff and improve your abilities, and arena itself, where you can fight to get money and experience. Here is the controls for the game. This menu can be called from anywhere in the game, and when you start a new game, the cutscene will take place.
The time has come, brave warrior. No more chains, no more cages. Step into the arena and make your mark, or die forgotten. Let the battle begin.
When cutscene ends, we get control back, so we can move forward, backwards, left and right rotates the camera. Also we can jump, which requires some energy, what you can see on the bottom, and roll. When you roll, you avoid all the damage, obviously. So there is some prisoners. I have no idea why they're prisoners and why they look like a zombie. So the action bar, we have a potions. We don't have any potions right now. We can get sword out, put it back, and there is a heal spell. So our health is on the maximum, so we can't heal anything. This guy is a final boss. When we are in front of him, he will shout on us.
Shift yourself out of the way before I make you.
Okay. So this part here is the main lobby. I use ray tracing to check for the NPC layer. So when you're in front of NPC, the message "press E to interact" appears, and if we press E, the dialogue starts.
Hey, do you need some training?
So this guy is a trainer. He can improve our abilities, but we don't have any learning points right now. As we can see in our character panel, we are level 1, skill points are 0. So we can't improve really anything for now. This guy can improve our armor, weapon, and magic armor.
Welcome, traveler. I don't sell weapons or armor,
But again, we don't have any
better.
money
Care
right
to
now.
improve your gear?
The second shop is right here, which basically the same
greetings,
thing,
traveler.
but
You
it
seem
sells
weary from your
the
journey.
health potion,
Care to
mana
browse my
potion,
collection of potions?
and improve your heal spell power. But again, no money. So I can show you later after first fight. So these two guys are mage and archer, another enemies in the game. We will see them later. This is Arena Master. When we start the dialogue, we can select a level of arena to visit. We can visit each level as many times as we want to farm money and experience.
Welcome,
So
challenger.
obviously we start
Ready
from
to
level
test your
1.
mettle in the arena?
And here is the arena. Our first enemy is a warrior. We can avoid his damage. Okay, he hit us. Not very smart. Ouch. So when the enemy dies, he drops a sphere. When you pick up it will give you experience and money. So right now we're level 1 and 0 money. When we pick up and we get level, this sound appears, otherwise it will be just a pickup sound. And now we can exit arena. And when all the enemies are dead, this guy appears, Arena Master.
Congratulations, warrior.
And we can
You
exit
fought
arena.
bravely and won the battle. Your victory is well deserved.
If we won the battle, it will restore full health by exit. If not, it will restore only 20%. So now it's time to improve our abilities.
Hey, do you need some training?
Strength, constitution, and let's say another strength. We can buy some
Welcome,
armor,
traveler. I don't sell weapons or armor here,
some
but I can
damage,
make yours better. Care to improve your gear?
magic armor. So as we can see, 27 damage to armor and 2 magic defense.
Ah, greetings,
Yeah,
traveler.
let's buy a
You
few
seem weary
potions.
from your journey. Care to browse my collection of potions?
Okay, now we can use a heal spell. And a mana potion to restore our mana.
Shift yourself out of the way before I make you.
Talking firebolts, frost
And
spells.
let's go to level 2.
Welcome, challenger. Ready to test?
Level 2 archer appears. Let's kill this guy first. We can obviously hide behind the barrels. Okay, become a bit stronger. So no need even avoid his damage. When you come close to archers, they will run away. There is a little delay between attacks to allow you basically to hit them, because otherwise they will run forever. Again, 50 skill points and quite a lot of money.
Congratulations, warrior.
The chaos of
Let's
the
spend them
arena
quickly
today.
and go
I'm
to level
talking
3.
firebolts, frost spells.
Hey, do you need some training?
I mean, what was his plan?
Welcome, traveler. I don't sell weapons or armor here, but I can make yours better. Care to improve your gear?
Okay. Obviously I shifted money and experience
Ah,
gaining
greetings,
a
traveler.
little bit
You
just
seem
for
weary
video
from your
purposes.
journey. Care to browse my collection of potions?
Okay, I think that's enough to finish the game.
The chaos of the arena today. I'm talking firebolts.
Welcome, challenger.
Level 3. Let's kill this guy first. I can heal. The mage will run away the same way as the archer if he will not block his way. Okay, that was easy. There we go. I don't think I need more money,
Congratulations, warrior.
so we can exit.
Welcome,
And here's the
challenger.
final level with the boss, which I like. I will allow him to kill me. Just to show that we can die. And as I told you, when we spawn it's only 25% of the health. Okay, and now we can
Welcome,
finish him.
challenger.
Probably. There we go. That's all the game.